Alright, good morning. This is Wallaber, as usual, continuing working on Pro Gymnast. Today, Saturday, and we are working on localization. So last stream I made some pretty good progress on adding a second language into my localization document, and then adding a language select menu into the game, as well as getting that new language to at least render in the game. And then since then, off stream, I've made some pretty good headway on getting in a little bit more of a translation into Japanese of the game, which has been pretty good, making me realize several things that I want to do. I'm also very daunted of doing this tutorial section because these are like the longer, more sentencey bits, so it's going to take more work. And also, is it Japanese that you read the right to left? No, you can format Japanese left to right, just like Western, like English, or you can be top down, and then in that case it is right to left. It's like top down, right to left, which is, I think my image is mirrored, so it's going the wrong way, but you get the idea. But you can also write it sort of left to right, and then descending lines. So luckily I don't have to support any right to left radical reformatting, at least not in the current plan. But I was realizing a couple things. I need to go through the game now, and I've iterated on the tutorial so much that I have a bunch of lines in here that I don't think are used anymore because I redid the tutorials. So I need to go through and clean this up and find out which lines I'm actually using, and then get rid of the ones I'm not. And then we can put in some translations for these. And then the other big thing is level names. So I don't know my final list of levels yet, and I'm probably going to have a problem here where I'm going to want to keep working on the levels until the last minute of the game, which is going to cause a problem with localization, because if I need translated names of all the levels, then I have this like delay where I have to lock the levels and then get those translations in. Maybe that's not the end of the world. I was kind of hoping I can just do one round of sending out for translations, getting it in, and then be good. But the only way I could do that is either wait really late to get those translations in, or just not translate the level names. So I'm trying to decide right now what is the best option for that. So I was considering adding in here this do not translate column, and if I have that checkbox set, I would also flag it for the translators that they don't need to translate that row, and then in the game it would like always return the English value no matter what, which could be useful for some things. Also get the cost down a little bit on localization because there'd be less stuff to localize. So I'm debating right now, if that's worth it, or if that's the right choice. I also yesterday went through here and added notes for a handful of these to help assist translation, so you understand the context a little better of what some of these things mean. Like for example, have the word grip, meaning a thing gymnasts wear on their hands to hanging onto the bar better. So I put a reference here and a link to like a picture of this thing so that you can like, oh, this thing, you're talking about these things. And I was surprised to try and look up what the heck you call those in Japanese. Apparently they essentially are called protectors, as in like skin protector. So that's what I'm calling them in Japanese. Yeah, so what to do about level names? I mean, I guess the right thing to do probably is to get this all working, get a round of translations in, then finish all the levels, and then just do an update round where I get the names of the levels all translated. But the names of levels is a big chunk of the text in the game, and if I didn't need to translate that, that would save me a lot. And I'm not sure how important the names of the levels are. I mean, they help you refer to a level. But maybe actually, we want everyone referring to the same thing. So like just the English, name would be useful perhaps. I don't know. So that's the debate right now. I was even already strongly considering not translating the names of each of these levels into Japanese. Just because I think aesthetically it'll be fine. And it is, again, maybe saving me something. So, I don't know. I guess I will think on that while we work out what tutorial text is actually in the game. Now, if I remember correctly, the first tutorial just uses this one. But let's go see. Yeah, this is the old first tutorial, I believe. Okay, let's see what would be a good way to do this. I guess maybe the simplest way to do this would be yeah, I could temporarily put in a debug thing here where I print out the keys that I'm translating. That would be like a process of elimination. Yeah, I guess that would probably work. Okay. Let's see. Maybe what we'll do is we'll get open a notepad here. And let's go play through a couple tutorials. Alright. Here we go. Alright, so that's the press R1 thing. I think that's all there is to this level. Yeah. This one doesn't have any. Okay. This one's been around for a while. I don't think I've changed much on it. And there's no variability in this one. this is going to be pretty crazy with how much other text it's drawing here. Probably should temporarily get rid of that. Yeah, so tutorial focus, those are all real. Here, well, maybe what we'll do actually is we'll just go down here and we'll say tutorial focus. These are real. Let's see. Let's do that by highlighting these. So those are real. Yep. And this one is also real. Okay. And then here, let's just search for tutorial. Tutorial release screen. Yeah, tutorial release screen. Is that? Where is that one? Is that up here? Ah, here we go. So this one's used. No, not like that. Background. There we go. Okay. Maybe for now, actually, I'm gonna... Yeah, let's simplify our lives a little bit here. We're gonna say... something like this. Okay. Alright. That was the first two down. Hopefully there's going to be a lot of unused text that we can abandon by the end of this. Alright, so let's go play next one. Next one is... So that was first... I was letting go, focus, and we have arm posing. Here we go. Okay, use L to control your shoulder / arm. Push to match the pose below. I'm gonna write a note here. Remove, pose, match, delay. Okay. Also, okay, let's do one more, because this will be the leg one. Yeah, there's no like dynamic text in this one, it's just the sequence. I don't think I have any text for the rest of this level. Look at that, there's like a weird motion blur thing happening with those obscured fans. It's interesting. Relatively minor issue, but still. Okay, let's check these two. So what did we get? We want to look at our console output. Okay. These are the level names. Okay, tutorial arm posing intro. Oops. Okay, so they're all this general area. So tutorial arm posing intro, this one. And then we had, whoops, and then we had arm posing first match, arm posing relative intro. Arm posing first match, relative intro. Okay. Then we had second match, holding it and relax. Second match, hold it and relax. Yep. Then we had final, arm posing final. This. Okay, that was used. Now, okay. Then we were back at the level screen, so there's the levels again. And then we have tutorial leg posing, which just should be nearby here. Yeah. First match. Relative intro, second match. So these two. Okay. And looks like we reused the arm holding it thing. Tutorial leg, grab bar, tutorial leg outro. Grab bar and outro. Leg posing intro should have been there. Yeah, it was. Okay. Okay. So that makes sense. Okay. Next. Let's see. So, swinging basics. This one has a fair amount. I want to make sure they all show here, so I'm not going to skip anything. Then we have this recapped one there. Okay, then we have we have all those timing indicators there. There. Okay, so if you swing just high enough, it kind of doesn't work properly. It doesn't switch back, see? I should fix that probably. Okay. So this is going to be all the text in this one though. Okay. That one's got a fair amount, so let's just investigate that one specifically. Okay. So, yeah, we have a lot of duplicates here. Let's do collapse, so we only see the uniques. Okay, level. Okay, tutorial swing video prompt, right? That one we do want localized, actually. But it does exist, so let's... Tutorials, so this can be down here towards the bottom, right? Because I added that. Where is it? Video prompt. There it is. Tutorial swing video prompt. Oh wait, yeah, I don't think. Claim I'm using this, I'm not sure where. Okay. Tutorial swing legs intro 0. Okay, so that's gonna be down here. Swing legs intro 0, yeah. Then tutorial UI swing prompt, yep, that's this one. That's definitely on the screen. Okay. Then tutorial swing prompt single. Tutorial swing. Oh, okay. Stuff like this too, for example. We don't need people to translate. Then we have tutorial O3B. Wait for it and get ready. This is getting a little messy because these were from an earlier iteration of the tutorial. So wait for it right here. We're using that. We're using get ready right there. And tutorial swing prompt single. Didn't I already get that one? Yeah. Oh, these are the, okay, I know what those are. Those are the controller prompts. Okay, then we have press now. It's going to be back up here. Press now. We're using that. Why don't these collapse? I guess because the call stack is different? That's strange. Tutorial swing legs intro 1 and 2. Didn't we already have that? No. We had swing legs intro 0. Now 1, 2, and 3. So that's down here. Yep, now 1, 2, and 3. Okay. And then we had tutorial swing legs idle. Here. The prompt hold. Hold. Pretty sure release is being used. I'll grab that while I'm up here. Okay, result early. Yeah, release now. Okay, early, late, miss, and perfect. Those are all being used. Wait for it. Perfect. Late. Single. Miss. Okay, swing legs giant 1. That's back down here. There's that one. I know this is in there. I know this is in there. I know this is in there. Okay. Wait for it. Yeah, remaining 1. Okay. So this one didn't happen? Outro? Yeah, it did. Okay. And then... Cool, and then from O3B, see, we've got a lot of these that I think are not... being used anymore. So hopefully some of these we can get rid of. Okay. Next one. So this is gonna be... This is the ARM equivalent of that tutorial. Okay. I have the game slowed down right now. That's why it's so incredibly slow. Okay, cool. Okay. These are the tricky ones, so let's look at these individually here. Okay, these are the level names. Tutorial swing video prompt, we already got that one. Tutorial swing arms intro, so those are all happening. So that's down here. Here we go, arms intro 0, 1, 2, 3, and outro. We know all those happen. And idle is definitely in there. Okay. Tutorial swing prompt single, yeah, already got that. Wait for it, ready, yep. Yeah, here's the rest of the intros and the idle. Okay, tutorial swing arms giant one. So these ones, which are here. Arms giant one, arms giant remaining one. And outro, which we got. Okay. Cool. Next. What's the next one? Okay, this one. It's interesting that the thing that fills up keeps resetting. That one should be pretty straightforward, so let's do one more before we leave here. Okay, so that's all the tutorials in the first section. Then we go here, and there's just a couple, I think. This one? This one I gotta make sure I hit all the variants. Now let's talk about controlling your spin. Tuck in to spin fast, stretch out to spin slow. Try doing a single flip and landing on the mat. What if I don't? What if I hit the ground? Okay, what if we do too many flips? Okay, that was the first one, so that's fine. Now do at least 3. What if I don't do enough? Okay. Do one on the mat, okay. Okay. If. Okay, I might have missed a few. Let's play again. Let's go like this. Here, let's make this back to normal. Alright. Wanted to make sure that I test under and over rotating on the last one. Oh no! Okay, I counted. Alright, so if I do too many flips here, I think I might get a special thing. And if I don't do enough... Okay. Alright, that should be all the variants. So let's see what we got. So we have the level names here. Tutorial body posing intro. Here. Got that one. Not over there. Over here. Okay. Then we have first pike, first tuck. Where are those? Oh wait, it was this one. And then it was first pike, and then first tuck. Okay. Then we had first straight, which is here. And tutorial body, pike flip, and tuck flip. So here's tuck flip. And pike flip. Okay, tutorial body, mat landing. This. Okay, that's it for that one. Then, tutorial spin control intro. Spin control intro 0 and 1. Okay. I feel like these are all going to be used, but let's just double check. And spin control step 1. Right here. Missed mat. Step 1. Miss over. So missed mat. Right here. Then we have missed over, which is too much rotation. Missed under. Yeah, here we go. So these are all used. Okay, and we had step 2 for sure. And step 3 for sure. Okay. And then success 1, success 2, success 3. Yeah, so these are all used. Okay. So there we go. Now, was that all of the... Oh no, I think I missed one. Maybe not. Where's the focus tutorial? It's not marked as a tutorial, or is it? Yeah, it is. It's right here. Did we check this one? I feel like we checked this one, right? Tutorial, focus, intro, 0. Yeah, okay. Right? Yeah, okay, so this was an old one here. Cool. Let's double check. Is that it for tutorials? I think it is. Okay. Alright, so now, look at this. All these are old original tutorials. Old tutorial 1, old tutorial 2, old tutorial 3. These can all go away. And then these can also go away. Ciao! Okay. This is used. Alright, so we got rid of some. It wasn't a ton, but we got rid of some. Alright, we don't need this formatting anymore. Okay. Alright. Um, let's just plop in some translations for this real quick. These are like super video gamey words, so we're gonna leave them in English. Oops. I wish I could have kept my pretty backdrop there. All right. Okay. All right, so this is where it gets a little tricky. Okay. So we need to keep in things like, oops, I say values only. So we're gonna say something like, I'll leave this part in here, and then we say like, oh, Scott it. Tehon pose. Oh. That's a little funky, but maybe that won't get the point across. Okay. I guess there was like a shortcut for paste values only. Let's grab the ones that have prompts in them and put them in here. Yeah. A lot of these. Here, let's just do this. We're gonna grab all the tutorial text. We're gonna copy it. Gonna paste it into here. Okay, now we can work our way down here. So this is okay. This is tricky to say. Controls are relative to the body, not the screen. Hopefully that's close enough. I'm gonna probably pay the translation company to copy edit the Japanese as well. So I just won't have to pay for the original translation. And this helps me test things out, so. Okay, so if you let go of this, something like that. Okay, so now then. Okay. 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 Yeah. I think this is called the same thing. Okay. Okay. That one can be okay. This will be... Oops, 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 oops. Okay. I might leave that one actually. Okay. I know this is making for some really riveting game dev stream here. But if anybody has any questions or anything, feel free to shoot them. Otherwise, I'll just keep working my way through these translations. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Okay. 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 Let's see. Okay. What kind of was the format I used for this one a second ago? Where was it? Here we go. It was something like this. Okay. We say. Okay. This is that tricky one. Okay. I'm a little inconsistent with my punctuation in Japanese. Like, shit, am I actually adding punctuation to all these sentences or not, or what? I don't know. It's a little kind of a gray area as to whether I should have it or not. I guess the important thing would be to be consistent. I don't know. Yeah, it's a little weird. Go on. 長く背伸びる背伸び、背伸びる right? 背伸びると遅い。Okay. 回転かけすぎだ。リラックスして。let's see. 回転が足りない。もう一回。let's see. Okay, so this is the one where you're trying to do 3, right? 回転が足りない。しっかり体を丸めてタクなどで回転をかけよう。Okay? 回転かけすぎだ。もう少し早く。背伸びてみて。Okay. 回転が足りないね。もうちょっと長くタックしてみて。Okay. あら、マットに着地しましょう。Okay. We're getting there. We're getting there. Okay. 一回転の周回しよう。タイミングよくリリースするだけでいい。Okay. 3回転以上してタックしっかりタックしっかりタックが必要です。Okay? 今度は2回転。 Okay. Sugoi. Kaiten ga kakaru desho. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. I'm not quite sure how to say this. Sugoi! Positron, what's up? Sugoi! Yeah, right there. Sugoi! Let's see. I'm not quite sure how to say this. So what I'm trying to say here is like, in an earlier tutorial, I taught you how to build up some swing using just the right stick, your legs. And this is where I'm like, you could even just use your arms to build up swing. The problem is I'm not exactly sure how you say generate swing. So I'm gonna think about that for a second. I mean, let's just keep it kind of simple. So we could say like, ashi dake de wa naku ude demo swing dekitari shimasu. Kata o uokashite swing shio. So right. Senta, right? Not Zenta. Senta. Koetara. Chikara o irete. そしてリラックス。Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. Pretty sure this is called Dai Sharin. Oh. You said that. Here we go. Sugoi! What else could we say? Sugoi, subarashi, yatta! Jozu. We haven't had a Jozu yet. Jozu. Oh, Positron, thanks for the follow. Jozu. Let's see. Alright, we're almost there. We're almost there. Dai Sharin. Shio. Tenta Koetara. Shikara irete. そしてリラックス。Let's see. Okay, so these are some more just little helpful ones. やったー。このまま。その調子。We gotta get another すごい in there. そのまま。あと1回。その調子だ。あと3回。あと3回。Okay. スイングの練習だ。タイミングがコツです。ですね。はい。And then we say, okay. Right, this is the same thing. センターを越えたら足を上げて上げて間もなくちょっとしたら伸ばして体を長くする。繰り返して大車輪しよう。Okay? タイミングをタイミング何タイミングに注意して大車輪Why can I get that? 大車輪 Oh wait, I'm typing it wrong. 大車輪 There we go. Oh. しよう。Okay. 完璧。マスターしたね。Okay. These two don't need to be translated. And I don't think we're using this anymore. Get rid of this line. No, that's not right. Ooh. What would this be? What is this? Deity is in and out, right? So we don't want that. We want Do I call this? This is a thing where you want to stay inside it. I don't know. That seems super wrong, but we're gonna go with that. Okay, so we almost have a pass at Japanese for the whole game. Then we get to go around and look at the game and see how busted this is. Now, these are the little story letters that you get. This shouldn't be too difficult. It would just be like player name. Let's see. Let's do these line by line. Alt enter. Okay. Let's see. Okay, that part's gonna stay in English. No. なんかに選ばれておめでとうございます。ステージをクリアしてメダルをたくさん獲得することを期待しています。メダルを集めてツアーに進む。Let's see. いろんなチャレンジが待ち受けております。Okay. And then we just say, okay, so we got this, we got this, and then this would be like, pro gymnast, Kaicho Oliver. Okay. All right, so then So this one, we would say player name. Omedetou gozaimasu. Alt enter. California no de no tsuyaku. California から次の大会にお招きします。いざ日本へ something like that. Okay. What is this like? Top level no senshi tachi ga 集めてた熱いバトル、競い合おう。Then we'll just go back to Pro Gymnast Kaicho. Okay. That is a pass at translations. Now, and right now I haven't done any of the level names because I'm still debating that. But that was a big chunk of work right there. Now let's start doing the scary work of finding out if we've got different ones here. Or maybe not, that's just the way the font looks. Okay. Finding out how much this actually works in game. The other thing I was thinking is for the hairstyles. The naming of the hairstyles is super tricky. It was very hard in English. So I assume it'll be difficult in the other languages too. And I think for the translators, I'm going to want to actually put in like pictures of the hairstyles. So we should probably capture some little images. All right, let's go back here. Let's implement that do not translate thing too, even though it may turn out that we don't use it in too many places. Let's see. Oh, oops. Okay. Let's see. Like, are there other places where we would use that? Yeah, something like this we don't need, I don't think. Well, Oh wait, actually. Right. I need it. Do I have a note on this one? I do. Okay. I guess this one we don't need a translation for. Not very many though. Okay. Let's implement it though anyway. Let's see if this actually works. If I go to, where was this? Here, here, here. Nope. Nope. Here. Nope. Where was it? Here. Here. Okay. So if we say update, we should see this thing change. Okay, so this is a Boolean. And then English, Japanese, these are all strings. 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 And then is there a way to say like not include? I don't think so. Okay. Now we regenerate the data files, which hopefully that worked. And if we go to resources, log, and we re-download this, $849 now. Why is that? Probably because there's checkboxes going too far. Okay, but look at this. This is looking pretty good. So we have a thing called do not translate. So then let's go to our loc manager. And then here, right here, what we'll do is we'll say language is defaults to current language, but if d dot do not translate, then L equals English. Okay, and that should solve down here. Okay, and then we're not gonna add to this array or this enum yet because I don't have translations for any other languages yet. But that'll be easy once we get them. I can just expand this. All right. Is this gonna work? Now we're gonna probably take a million notes of places where the text looks jank. Ooh, what's the deal here? Something change? That would be here. Here. Okay, we have 2 languages listed as available. Looks like we had some runtime junk. Let's have a look. Null reference. Ew. Right. Sorry. This goes here. Please. Okay. Sorry about that. Alright. Language. Oh my god. We don't have a key here for settings underscore language. We also probably should differentiate between these two. Let's fix that. So the title, let's call this setting language title. So then we can go here. We can say, alright, we're gonna add a thing called setting, hang on. Back to English, please. Settings, language title. Language setting. Okay, and then we say settings language, which should just, no. Okay, just this. And this should just be language. Ah! There. Okay. Now we've got to go like this and hit download. This number's not going to change now though, is it? Yeah, because of those extra, all these extra checkboxes. I don't know if there's a way to get rid of them. Format. Clear formatting? No. I know there's a way to do this. Ah, come on. Remove checkboxes. Maybe that'll do it. Let's see. Now if we grab this, do we get an accurate number? Yeah, I think 606. Does that seem right? That does seem right. Okay. All right, 606 pieces of text in this game. Boom. Look at that. That looks pretty good. Let's go back. Oh, I wanted to fix this, yeah. I don't want... Oops, whoops, whoops, whoops. Let's go back up. I've got it right there. Let's search for this. Okay, yeah, I wanted this to actually be... Or even like start, maybe? Probably would be better. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Okay. We're not saving the language setting yet. Yeah, we might even make quit in English too. Oh, I have to translate that one. Where? Oh, this isn't... That's why. This is not in the localization doc right now. This is going to help us find text that's not localized at all either. Like the join our Discord thing. Which I think I'm keeping that in the shipping game, so... Let's add one here. Okay. Build notes. Am I going to keep that? Maybe. Let's assume I'm going to keep that. Title. Build notes. In this case, we'll say something like that. Over here we can say okay, cool. Now to make this actually use it, we gotta go here, we gotta go to here, here, and this join Discord thing needs a does need localized text, and the text was title Discord, Discord, and then build notes, same thing. Does need localized text now, and the name is title build notes. Okay, we go like this, we go like this, and we should see that go up to 608. So easy to add text to games. You just keep adding it. Okay. There we go. Okay, that's a little jank. Okay. Even that's probably going to be too long. And I have to think about what I'm going to do about word overruns, because like some of the other languages like German are definitely going to have some challenges with word wrapping and stuff, especially in these little like thin menu bars I have here. Yeah, that'll be fun. Gotta make sure I give myself time to react to those challenges. Okay. Boop, boop, boop. Yep, that's still... Oh, I didn't get it. Did I not like actually commit that change? Oh, I didn't commit that change. That's why. Okay. Okay. All right. Yeah, still problematic. Okay, but let's go take a little tour here. How are we looking here? Look at that. That font's a little rough. Cool. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, cool. Alright, let's go in here. Nice. Nice. Let's see. Let's make a new player. Gotta fix those hairs. Let's write some of this stuff down. Okay, so hairs missing on avatar presets. Okay. Text overrun in menu lists. Okay, let's see what else we got here. Yeah, look at all these annoying things I had to come up with weird little translations for. Did these turn out in order? Kind of, not really. Pretty good though. Then we got all this. Nice. Nice. Oh, I need names for these. If I'm going to keep them. They're not colorizable, so maybe I'm going to get rid of them. And they're kind of cool. They look a little screwed up though. I don't know. I'm probably going to get rid of those. I think that's going to be my solution. If I can, I should really fix that problem where the my dynamic bones like wig out on reset. I should specify in the avatar editor. Okay. All right. All right. So that, though, let's check out our letter. New player, Pro Gymnast World Tour の参加に選ばれておめでとうございます。ステージをクリアしてメダルをたくさん獲得することを期待しています。いろんなチャレンジが待ち受けております。Pro Gymnast 会長 Oliver. Cool. You notice I left some of this in English, kind of to give it some, like, authenticity here. Let's go back and look at this. I come in here. We got Medaru. We know how many we've got. Now open, I left. These look okay. It's kind of a little weird, but not bad. Okay. Cool. Go in here. Okay, so these ones here, level name, best time, best score, finish, medal, check them out. Yeah. Where are those? You. I wonder if I'm not localizing those yet. That's highly possible. Yeah, I bet like level name, best time, best score, I bet all this, plus down here like final score, overall place in medals, I'm not localizing yet. Okay. So we need localize headers for level select screen. Okay. Alright, let's see. Now the level names I already, I'm debating. Alright, let's go look at, let's just jump right in and look at a tutorial. Okay, so that font is a little rough to read. Okay. Let's look at that. It's legible, but just barely. Nice. Next. Okay. Yeah, so we got some overruns there on the, what is this called? One level complete metal requirement hex. Okay. Alright. Now let's go look at the replay editor. Okay. Yeah. We could tweak this font a little bit, that might help. Yeah. Like, is that because... where is that? Down here? No. Here. Here. It's because this is marked as bold. Right. So if we go to our basic game dropdown, right? And then we look at the template and we unboldify that. And then there's probably a few other places where we need to... Oh, that one uses game drop down, so that's okay. What is this? No, we don't have to worry about that one. That one uses game drop down too. Okay, let's test that now. That might make drop downs look a little better. Where's a quick place to see one? Well, how about one with... Oh, wait. Yeah, there we go. Looks much better. And in English, these things are probably still going to look fine. Oh, wait a minute. Right. Drop downs are pre-translated. Yes, I can't just do that in awake. I need to do it on show. It's gonna be broken here too, right? Oh no, these ones are okay. Which one was it? Is game settings? Game settings is doing it on awake. Only maybe. Is it this one? Probably this one. No. The menu. The menu. It's not this one though. What actually is it? Settings, gameplay. My naming convention got a little stupid. Okay. So see here, this has to move to populate options. Okay, so yeah, the callback is fine. Callback is fine. But this gotta be here. This has gotta be here. This has gotta be here. Okay. Okay. Alright. I'm probably gonna start wrapping up the stream for today. Made some excellent progress today though. Need to find a cool screenshot of the game in Japanese to post on Twitter. Okay, so now if I go to game settings, these drop downs are in Japanese. Let me go back. Go to game. No, let me go back. Go to language settings. Switch it back to English. Go to game settings. They're back in English. Okay, cool. Now let's go back to Japanese. Play the game. Go into a level. Why not? So while we're at it, look at one of these tutorials. Okay, that one's set to bold too. We gotta fix that. Okay, that'll make that much easier to read. Alright, I wanted to go back and look at this real quick and see that this is generally better. Still, we probably need to do something there. Yep, okay. Alright, let's mark this down. Alright, let's call it. So that's excellent. Excellent progress. So I'll be back streaming again on Monday. Probably get some work done between now and then on localization stuff and capturing footage for the trailer. Not exactly sure what I'll do on Monday, but I'll see y'all then. Bye.